Introducing short sentences to kids is a great way to help them learn how to read and write. Short sentences are easy to understand and can help kids build their vocabulary and grammar skills. Today, we will read sentences that have some action words. Let's begin. Let's read. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Let's repeat, children. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Shines is the action word. She talks to her friend on the phone. Let's repeat, children. She talks to her friend on the phone. The action word is talks. He runs to catch the bus. Let's repeat, children. He runs to catch the bus. The action word is runs. They play a game of chess in the park. Let's repeat, children. They play a game of chess in the park. The action word is play. The dog barks loudly at the mailman. Let's repeat. The dog barks loudly at the mailman. The action word is barks. We study for our exams at the library. Let's repeat. We study for our exams at the library. The action word is study. The teacher explains the lesson to the students. Let's repeat. The teacher explains the lesson to the students. The action word is explains. My mom cooks dinner in the kitchen. Let's repeat. My mom cooks dinner in the kitchen. The action word is cooks. My dad enjoys fishing on the weekends. Let's repeat. My dad enjoys fishing on the weekends. The action word is enjoys. The rabbit likes to hop around in the garden. Let's repeat. The rabbit likes to hop around in the garden. The action word is likes. She paints a beautiful picture of a tree. Let's repeat. She paints a beautiful picture of a tree. The action word is paints. They play together in the park. Let's repeat. They play together in the park. The action word is play. Shines, talks, runs, play, study, explains, cooks, enjoys, likes, paints. These are all action words. Good job, children.